Sanvanani and welcome to Wisdom X Magazi where imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become better. Today I want to emphasize this. Life is spiritual. We can have people in 2025 having different perspective about life in general. Ukuthi your finances are not okay, you need a financial advisor, umuntu advisor financial and all of that. But trust you me, life is what? Spiritual, whether you like it or not. Why am I talking about this today? Because I saw a video on social media when someone said you go to healers and then healers, when you complain probably about your money situation, and then those money situation back to you need a financial advisor, you need this, you need this, you need that. And right now I'm speaking to the masses. I'm speaking to people who wake up every day, who go to work. I'm speaking to people about your imali yami incane. I'm speaking to people who have been indoors in houses zabo mashonisa. Ukhumbule people abashonisayo nabo bayayisebenza imali yabo. Ukhumbule abantu abashonisayo nabo they want customers. So if you put yourself in a situation yokuthi uyoboleka imali kumashonisa, you must expect ukuthi you'll be going back and forth with that mashonisa. And I also need people to not sleep on themselves. To be quite honest, stop sleeping on yourself. There are people who earn small monies but who are doing big things. You know, when I look at my journey, I when I was in varsity, I worked a PEP. And when I was working at PEP, I was just a casual. I was called during holidays and weekends because of why I was a student. I couldn't be permanent at that time. And I would be signed, I'm a contract about a month, 2 months, 3 months on holidays though. Pela. But I was that girl when they needed someone. They will call me. Trust you me, I was earning a very small money. And I was happy and I was doing a lot with that money. Why am I talking about this today? It's because of if you get a client and say, hey, minimally mina ini, mina this, mina that, and then you give that particular person a remedy, which you should be able to do this, do this, do that. Because honestly, I can't be telling umuntu nje osebenzelayo an ordinary citizen and say, hey, when you need a financial advisor, or probably you need financial education. Maybe they do. Maybe they need some sort of wisdom on how to balance and not live according to other people's standards. And into ngifuna ukuyiphakamisa, into nento inesikhathi sayo. Even with your journey, if uNkulunkulu ukubekile esimeni sokuthi la usebenza khona usebenzele ukudla, mawuceda ukhola ukwazi ukuthenga ukudla and then usale ngemali transport, that is your season. That is where you at right now. And wena futhi ozophinda ushintshe leso simo leso because of a person like me uke waqhamuka from that particular situation where I was a student, I was working, and the money that I was earning was just for me to buy food, for me to also pay for my transport, and that's it. But instead of me getting probably someone who was going to finance me at that time because of my parents, I had to stand up on my own. So uNkulunkulu sifaka ezimeni different. And remember, in life we have choices. Even if ungathiwa unabantwana and you are uyasebenza, you don't have to pressure yourself. There was a time where I would literally wear one sneaker for the whole year and life was just better. There was a time where my hair was short. My hair is still natural and I love it like that. So you need to introspect as self so that you literally avoid going uyofuna ukuyoboleka because of uNkulunkulu akunika umthwalo ozokusinda. Now you need to sit down and say, how do I increase? How do I multiply le 10 rand enginayo? Yini into ekumele ngiyehlise? Yini into ekumele ngiyenze? Because of trust you me, mawubheka abantu abaya kubo mashonisa guys. It's people who love to look fancy, to look pretty, to look what. Abantu abangafuni ukulinda most of the time. Abanye bafuna nje izinto ezi-instant ukuthi I want to do this, afuna ukuyoboleka imali. I want to buy, afuna ukuyoboleka imali. At the end of the day, uba senkingeni. When you receive that little money of yours, prioritize ukuthi okay, this money transport la ngithenga ukudla, la ngiyenzani. There's a season where you don't even buy clothes. There's a season where you don't even spoil yourself because of uyazi ukuthi usebenzela ama needs wakho. As you are working for your needs, you are praying to God ukuthi God, please guide me, please show me the way. Indlela okuyiyona yona kumele ukuthi ngiyiphile. How am I going to move to the next step? Guess what? Yes, I was working as a part-time cashier, but I moved. Made sure that I push with my studies, finish my degree, get a job. When I get another job, that job now is paying for my needs and wants. And yes, the job is paying for my needs and wants. And I realized, God, I want to do this and I want to do that more. God is like, go on YouTube, go and use your talent, go and use your gift. Using your gift, another income is definitely going to come. You know, you literally even enjoy life itself, you know, and you will get rewards, not rewards of what is on financial. So I'm here today to say impilo is spiritual. Pray about everything. Pray about your money situation. Allow God to know where do you see yourself, because of, trust you me, the heart desires like niggas is on. Trust you me, he's the one, he instilled those heart desires. If you see yourself doing great, doing bigger, doing more, when be consistent in what you are doing. Do it. Work and make sure your needs are covered. But now zinike that thing, I don't know how to put it, but promise yourself, or limit in such a way you tell yourself, good, I don't want to go to umashonisa, nkosi ungangiyenzi ngiye kuma loan shark, because of ama loan shark abantu abayenzani, abantu abama-businessmen and women, abantu abafuna ukukhulisa ama-business wabo. So wena if uloko luqiqa kamashonisa, you go up and down. Now already your money is exposed. Ukuyibuyisela like ubolekile wayisebenzisa ukuyibuyisela, and then izinto ziyaxaka. So kuweke manje kumele ukuthi uthini, angisafuni ukuya kumashonisa. I'm speaking to the masses out there. I'm speaking to the people abakhala ukuthi mabahola imali zabo abaziboni. Nawe qiqa, nawe lunga, and pray about your money situation. Pray about your money situation and ask God to guide you. And if kunezinto kumele ukuthi uzikhathe, uzilimite, do exactly that. Our journeys are different. Uzosibona sibahle sikhazimula, but kukhona izinto esizincisha zona, kukhona izinto thina esingazenzi, because of we know ukuthi what's important and what's not important. But mawuthi uyababheka vele abantu abalokolo baqiqa kubo mashonisa, uyazibuza ukuthi wenzani kubo mashonisa. And I know that people abathanda ukuba overcompensate. You need to love yourself. Angazu who needs to hear this. You need to love yourself in such a way that, yes, umsizinga part kwekhaya lakho, but you can't help from an empty cup. I know there are people who go to omashonisa but bafuna ukusiza kuphi ekhaya. You must use the spirit of discernment to judge. Akuna muntu omdala nakuwe ozofika kuwe abathi kuwe hamba uyombolekela imali. Why you bolekela lo muntu lo imali? For ini? Why wena uzomela ucungulisa igama lakho? Why lo muntu anganakho ukulinda? Why yena angaziyeli? Mhlambe yena akasebenzi. Okay, akasebenzi. But why yena angacabanga ezakhe indlela zokwenza? Because of, trust you me, people are in debt because of ufuna ukuthi ekhaya mhlawumbe uhlonishwe, because of ufuna ukuthi mabacela imali ubanikeze. That is, you are setting up yourself for failure. So you need to love yourself in such a way that yonke into yakho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ibe clean, ufuna ukuthi ube pure, ukuba neyikoloto, guys, it's not godly, it's not clean. It's like ungcolile because of uneyikoloto eyiningi and they don't make sense. And now uhleli phansi be like, I'm not saying people should be selfish, but you should be able to judge a situation with aibo. Why ungalindi for months and then we save up for whatever that oidingai? Oh, why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? Because of some people, amanyama family they will exploit you. Other families, they will exploit you. But I'm here today to say, lunga, zilungise wena self before they can even tell you, hey, you need financial literacy or you need a financial advisor. We are speaking to real people, ordinary South African citizens who are just working and just earning a minimum wage. Look at people who are living in squatter camps. The main thing for her is to make sure and then they go to school. From Lapo, the kids grow, the kids go to universities, and the kids are the ones who end up building the mom a house, are the ones who are ending up giving the mom ama needs wakhe nama wants wakhe. So can you see ukuthi impilo zethu zihleliwe ngendlela ezihlukile? But how will you understand? How will you know impilo yakho if when you don't submit to God? You don't give it to God. Give it to God. Give it to God. Because noma kuba nesomiso semali, if imali yakhe iqala iyashabalala, you don't always think ukuthi yo witchcraft. What if God is testing you because of some of the tests aqhamuka kuyena uNkulunkulu athi lo kule season ufuna ukuthi angabe nemali, ufuna ukubona ukuthi uzoreact kanjani, uzosebenza kanjani, uzoyenza kanjani izinto. Would you limit what are you going to do? Yes, we have a financial crisis in the country, in the world in general, but you need to submit to God and talk also about your finances with God. And Puma kubo mashonisa, Puma kubo shaklon. If we busy kuma shaklon, Puma and zibuza ukuthi why uloko busy kubo mashaklon, uyenzani kubo mashaklon, le mali oyithola iyenzani, and obani laba bathatha imali yakho ukuthi wena uzogcina kubo mashaklon. We are overcompensator. Okay, you just want to make everyone happy. At whose costs? At whose expense? So ngiyacela abantu mabalunge. We don't want people who are coming and saying, hey, my finances, hey, in. Pray so that God can guide you. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano nozwano nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.